Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business but didn't know where to begin? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to turn that dream into a real business, step by step, from idea to launch and from launch to success. This is your complete guide to building a business the right way. Welcome to today's video, How to Start a Business. Before you start your journey as an entrepreneur, you must first understand what a business really is, what types of businesses exist, and what main stages you need to go through before launching one. Starting a business isn't just about having a good idea. It's about knowing how that idea can be turned into something valuable, profitable, and sustainable. In this video, we'll explore what a business is, why people start businesses, different types of businesses, the main stages of starting a business. So let's get started. 1. What is a business? A business is an organized activity where people produce or sell goods and services to satisfy customer needs and earn a profit in return. It can be small or large, local or global, online or offline, but the main purpose is always the same: to create value and earn profit. A business combines ideas, what you offer, people who run it, money to operate and grow, customers who buy your product or service. For example, a shop that sells clothes, a restaurant that serves food, a software company that builds mobile apps, an online store that sells digital courses. All are businesses, different in form, but built on the same foundation: value creation. 2. Why start a business? People start businesses for many reasons, but here are the most common ones. Financial independence. You control your income instead of depending on a salary. Freedom and flexibility. You manage your own time and decisions. Passion and purpose. You do what you love and solve real problems. Creating jobs. You help others by giving employment. Making an impact. You contribute to society and improve lives. Remember, business is not just about money. It's also about creating value, helping people, and building something meaningful that lasts. 3. Main types of businesses. There are several types of businesses depending on what they do and how they operate. Let's go through the main categories. 1. Manufacturing business. These businesses produce physical goods from raw materials. Example: car factories, clothing production, food processing. They transform raw materials into finished products that customers can use. 2. Service business. They provide services instead of products. Examples: transport companies, cleaning services, beauty salons, repair shops, schools, and hospitals. Here, people pay for your skills or time, not for physical goods. 3. Trading or retail business. These businesses buy goods from manufacturers or wholesalers and sell them to consumers. Examples: supermarkets, electronic stores, and online retailers. They act as the bridge between producers and customers. 4. Online or digital business. These operate mainly on the internet, selling digital products, software, or services. Examples: e-commerce stores, online education, content creation, or freelancing. They need less investment and can reach a global audience. 5. Hybrid business. Some businesses mix 2 or more types. For example, a restaurant that also sells packaged food online. The key is to choose a business type that fits your skills, interest, and market demand. 4. The 3 main stages of starting a business. Now that you understand what a business is, let's look at the 3 major stages that every business must go through: planning, launching, and running. Stage 1. Planning your business. This is the foundation stage. Here you shape your idea and prepare everything before starting. In this stage, you develop your business idea, study the market and competition, write a business plan, decide your business structure, plan your finances. Good planning helps you understand your direction and reduces risk before you invest your time and money. Stage 2. Launching your business. This is where your plan turns into action. You make your business official and start operations. In this stage, you register your business legally, secure funding, build your brand name and logo, set up your shop or online platform, Start marketing and reach customers. Launching is exciting but challenging. It's the moment when your idea becomes real. Stage 3. Running your business. Once you've launched, the next challenge is managing and growing your business. In this stage, you manage your daily operations, track income and expenses, provide great customer service, market your products consistently, hire and train employees, plan for long-term growth. Running a business is a continuous learning journey where experience, adaptation, and consistency lead to success. Starting a business is not a one-day job. It's a process. It begins with planning, moves into launching, and continues through running and improving. To summarize today's video, a business is about creating value and earning profit. There are 4 main types: manufacturing, service, trading, and online. Every business follows 3 main stages: planning, launching, and running. In the next videos, we'll explain each stage separately. Each upcoming video will focus on one stage: how to plan effectively, how to launch successfully, and how to manage and grow your business professionally. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next part. Planning your business.